In this video, we look at how long moving takes. That's coming right up.
Welcome to Home Buyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
Hi everyone, I'm Carl Ye, and welcome to another Home Buyer School video, a channel where you get the latest strategies, tactics, and tips from home buying experts. And remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get these latest strategies and hear from the experts, hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today I'm joined by Nate Edwards, co-founder of Virtuo, a company that makes moving and transitioning to a new home simple and stress-free. So the question we're going to answer today, pretty simple, is how long does a move take?
Good question. The majority of your time when you're preparing for your move is actually in that packing process. So that's where you're going to, invest a lot of that time. The physical move itself, provided you're prepared, is really only going to take a day. At the end of the day, you're probably going to invest another 2 to 3 days just unpacking your house, getting everything set up, putting your dishes where you want them to go, mounting your TVs on the wall. You're going to have to do that trip to Home Depot 7 times because you keep forgetting everything. But, I think 3-4 days packing everything up, the day of the actual move, and another 3 or 4 days to get settled, you're looking at about a week.
A week? So can you take me through that one day, right? So the moment you wake up, crap, I have to move. What is can you take me through that day for someone who's never moved out before?
Okay, good question. So that day, hopefully you wake up, everything's all packed, you're ready to go. Yeah. First thing you do a Timmy's run. So whoever's coming to help you move, gotta have coffee, you gotta have donuts. That morning, you should get up a few hours extra early. Get your bedding packed. If you are making coffee downstairs, ensure that you have your coffee machine packed and ready to go for when your people or your movers actually get here. So when they get here, you just basically want to open the door and have them start running.
Okay. And then while that's happening, so people are, coming in and out, taking your boxes and whatnot, what are you doing? Doing the same thing? Or are you looking to organize or?
Yeah, no one likes a leader on move day. So if they're there helping you move, you have to be the guy out there humping the furniture along with them. So, that big heavy dresser, that big heavy piano, it better be you that's on it, not your other friends.
So you're not the guy that's like, okay, well, this goes there, this needs there. You just kind of sit, and probably not the best.
Probably not the best if you hire friends and family. If you were to hire a moving company and if you want more of a delegation role, that's probably a better path to pursue.
Awesome. So let's say all your stuff has now been packed into said moving van that you've either rented or it's your own.
Yeah.
What's next? Do you go out to your new place and meet everybody there? Or how does that come?
Yeah, absolutely. Everything's in the truck. Tie everything off, strap it off. The last thing you want to do is drive away without securing your load and having everything that you've just loaded into that truck fall either on the street or smash into the back of that actual that rental truck. And then from there, start your journey. You're going to be the first one kind of leading the brigade, get to your new house. Hopefully you've been to the new house as well, or if you've had someone there just to help you protect your brand new floors.
Yeah.
Get all those things done and ready for the movers. So when they come, they can just literally start bringing the boxes.
I like when you said, hopefully you've been to your new house. Because it would be really funny if you've actually never been to the house before.
Yeah.
And then now you're directing your actual things into the house.
Exactly.
So
it would be good to have a plan. So if you know where those items that are going in that truck into your new house, that would be ideal. So, obviously the things that you pulled out of a bedroom will likely go back into another bedroom, but you should have a good idea of where your furniture is going to be positioned and placed. One of the last things people want to deal with as well is once everything's moved in, it's just like, would you mind moving the sofa over here? Or can you try it over here? Or if you can try it over here. When your friends are helping you move, you can do that on your own time. But, when they're there, you just want to get everything in and you want to start living.
yeah. Is it worth it on the boxes that you've packed to kind of label them where they go?
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely. So the last thing you want to do is, pack a box that's destined to the garage, and then you bring it up 2 flights of stairs, just willing to finding out that your tools are now in your bedroom. So label your boxes appropriately, and that's just going to mean a lot of less downtime after the move of just running things up and downstairs.
Perfect. Can you say any other situation where maybe moving takes more than one day?
Yeah, you know what? It really depends on how much stuff you actually have. So, we've worked with clients where we've been in their homes packing everything up for, a week before we've even loaded the truck. So it really depends on how much stuff you have. So, if it's your first time, you should be able to get everything done in that day.
Perfect. Do you have anything else to add?
I think we're good.
Great. Well, thank you very much, everyone, for joining us. We'll catch you next time, and make sure to see our tips and advice for first time moving out.
That's another edition of Homebuyer School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyersschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.